Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTBX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward to answer. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good move for the bulls. Everyone would agree, good move. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction fake move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that is why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at $1.60. Why is $1.60 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.60. Any sort of closes below $1.60 or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. You'd have that set, right there. And if you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, the stair steps are continuing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress as time goes by. So to me, $1.60, very important level of support. Ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolutely best going forward? If the price can hold up above $1.80, that would be definitely the best case scenario. But by no means am I saying $1.80 is a must-hold level or anything like that. Now for the fun stuff, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm actually going to have to scrunch up the chart here. We're going to have to go back to the chart's history a little bit. Always a good problem to have. Actually, now let's go to another time frame. So we're going way far into the chart's history. Again, good problem to have, assuming you are long. So the next key level of resistance, it appears, is right up at that point right there, which sits at $2.07. Got somewhat close to it today. Didn't quite hit 207, but back here, and when I say back here, that's back in August, that did act as resistance. So next key level of resistance, 207. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on putting in higher bases and higher lows, the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving.